go ahead and interlace your fingers all the way to the webbing and take your elbows to the mat. Start with your elbows slightly narrower than shoulder distance apart because they have such a tendency to splay. The mat is slippery and so is your skin against the mat. So go ahead and start elbows slightly narrower than shoulder distance. Now karate chop from your elbows to your forearms to your wrists. Karate chop to the floor. Press into your elbows to lift your shoulders away from your ears. Now tuck your toes under, inhale, and as you exhale, press your hips back and up, come into Dolphin Pose. Let your head hang freely. Now, in Dolphin Pose, think about pressing your shoulder blades into your chest as a way of opening the thoracic spine. Now, if your hamstrings are just in a state of torture in this pose, then you can always bend your knee slightly. Now, if you've got the mobility, which Jess has, you can start to walk your feet forward towards your elbows, but as you do that, keep pressing your chest back. Take one more inhale here. And as you exhale, you'll drop to your knees. Touch your big toes, sit back onto your heels, come to child's pose with your arms alongside your legs, palms facing up. Rest your forehead on the mat and allow that point of contact with your forehead and the mat to quiet your mind. And we'll take dolphin once again. So come up onto your knees and then once again interlace your fingers all the way to the webbing and then switch your interlace so you have a different thumb, different index finger on top. Tuck the pinky underneath so that you have a flat and solid base. Start with your elbows slightly narrower than shoulder distance apart and then karate chop so that you're firmly rooted into the mat. Press into your elbows, press into your forearms and your wrists with the same amount of intensity. Now tuck your toes under, inhale. Exhale, press your hips back and up like you're coming into down dog, and you'll find yourself now in Dolphin Pose. In Dolphin Pose, press your shoulder blades towards your thighs, and if you're really bendy, what often happens is the front ribs puff, so instead keep your front ribs soft. Press into your elbows to lift your hips back and up. And again, this is all about opening the chest, the upper back rather, and the shoulders. So if your hamstrings are not happy, go ahead and bend your knees a tiny bit. If you can go deeper, walk your feet forward. Keep reaching your chest back. Take one more cycle of breath here. Press the hips back and up. As you exhale, drop to your knees. Once again, come to child's pose. With your arms alongside you, palms facing up. It's very relaxing for the shoulders after all that work. Now just let your upper body completely melt over your legs.